Respect, you want it, you need it, but are you truly earning it? Are you doing what it takes to command the respect you deserve? Let's be honest, folks, nobody respects anybody anymore. It's like we've forgotten the basics of human decency. It's a free-for-all out there. Everyone's just out for themselves, pushing and shoving their way through life. We're all just bumping into each other in the giant mosh pit of life, trying to get ahead without a second thought for those around us. But you know what? It doesn't have to be that way. There is a better path, a way to stand out and be respected. What if I told you there's a secret recipe, a magic formula, well, you get the point. A method to the madness. There's a way to make sure people treat you the way you deserve to be treated. A way to command the respect you've always wanted. Over the next 10 chapters, we're going to break down the 10 commandments of commanding respect. Each chapter will delve into a crucial aspect of earning respect. Think of it like a self-help seminar, but instead of overpriced tickets and lukewarm coffee, you get me, your snarky virtual life coach, and all the free Wi-Fi your heart desires. No need to leave your comfy spot. We'll be diving deep into the treacherous waters of human interaction through the captivating tales of various individuals who, much like yourselves, just wanted a little bit of darn respect. Real stories, real people, real lessons. So, buckle up, grab a snack, and get ready to learn. This journey is going to be enlightening, entertaining, and most importantly, empowering.
Chapter 1. Stand your ground. Brenda, the doormat, learns to push back. Meet Brenda. Sweet, timid Brenda. She wouldn't say boo to a goose, let alone tell someone to get out of her way. Brenda's life was a constant cycle of getting bumped, nudged, and talked over. But one day, something changed. Picture this. Brenda at the grocery store, reaching for the last carton of almond milk. Suddenly, a hand reaches out and snatches it away. This, my friends, was Brenda's breaking point.
Chapter 2. The Art of No. Brenda discovers the power of boundaries. Now, emboldened by her almond milk victory, Brenda felt a surge of confidence. She realized that setting boundaries was essential for her well-being. Brenda decided to tackle her next challenge, saying no. Friends wanted favors, often without considering her own needs. Colleagues dumped work on her desk, expecting her to handle it all without complaint. And her neighbor's cat, Mr. Whiskers, seemed to think her apartment was his personal litter box. It was chaos. Brenda, armed with her newfound backbone, started setting boundaries. It wasn't easy. There were gasps, there were protests, and some people were visibly upset. Mr. Whiskers even staged a dirty protest, literally. Brenda had to clean up the mess, but she didn't back down. But slowly, surely, people started to get it. They began to respect her space and her time. Brenda was no longer a pushover. She felt empowered, and her confidence grew with each boundary she set.
Chapter 3. Fake it till you make it. Brenda's crash course in confidence. Standing your ground and saying no was one thing, but true respect, Brenda realized, came from within. Enter Operation Confidence. Brenda started small power posing in the bathroom mirror, speaking up in meetings, even trying that whole eye contact thing. It felt weird, awkward, like wearing pants 2 sizes too small. But something strange happened. The more Brenda acted confident, the more confident she actually became.
Chapter 4. Laughter is the best medicine and weapon. Brenda unleashes her inner comedian. Brenda discovered a secret weapon in her quest for respect humor. When a colleague made a snide remark, Brenda didn't get flustered. She fired back with a witty retort. Suddenly, she was the one in control, disarming disrespect with a well-placed punchline. People started seeing her as quick-witted, sharp, someone not to be trifled with.
Chapter 5. Straight Talk Express. Brenda ditches the sugarcoating. Brenda realized that beating around the bush was getting her nowhere, so she adopted a new policy: directness. No more passive-aggressive sticky notes, no more hinting at what she wanted. Brenda said what she meant, and she meant what she said. It was a shock to the system for those used to her tiptoeing around issues, but it commanded a whole new level of respect.
Chapter 6. Keep calm and carry on. Brenda's Guide to Zen and the Art of Not Losing Your S***T. Life, as we know, is full of little annoyances that can easily disrupt our peace of mind. people who cut in line, drivers who don't understand the concept of a turn signal, slow internet speeds, and even the endless buffering of a video. Brenda, however, had developed a superpower, the ability to remain calm in the face of chaos. She found her inner peace amidst the noise. She realized that losing her cool only gave others power over her emotions. It was a revelation that changed her life. So she breathed, she counted to 10, she channeled her inner Dalai Lama. She practiced mindfulness and embraced the art of letting go. Brenda's journey to Zen was not just about meditation, but about finding joy in the little things and staying grounded no matter what.
This one, folks, was a game changer. Brenda spent years undervaluing herself, thinking she wasn't good enough, smart enough, or deserving of respect. But as she embraced her strengths, acknowledged her accomplishments, and stopped comparing herself to others, something magical happened. She started to believe in her own worth. And you know what? Others did too.
Chapter 8. Toxic Avengers, Brenda's Guide to Identifying and Evicting Energy Vampires. Brenda discovered that some people, much like energy vampires, thrive on negativity and drama. They were the Debbie Downers, the negative Nancys, the pessimistic Peters of the world, and Brenda realized she didn't have to put up with them. She started distancing herself from these toxic individuals, politely declining invitations to pity parties and negativity fests. The result? A happier, healthier, and far more respectful environment.
Chapter 9. Treat yourself with respect. Brenda's journey to self-love. Brenda learned that self-respect was the foundation for earning respect from others. She started prioritizing her well-being, setting healthy boundaries, and treating herself with kindness and compassion. She indulged in bubble baths, devoured books, and discovered the joy of saying no to plans she didn't actually want to attend. The more Brenda respected herself, the more others followed suit.
Chapter 10. Find your tribe. Brenda's support system for navigating the respect roller coaster. Brenda realized that she didn't have to go it alone. She surrounded herself with supportive friends, family, and colleagues who valued and respected her. They celebrated her successes, offered a listening ear during tough times, and reminded her of her worth when she forgot. Having a strong support system, Brenda discovered, made all the difference.
So there you have it, folks. Brenda's transformation from doormat to respect magnet. Remember, demanding respect isn't about being a jerk. It's about setting boundaries, knowing your worth, and surrounding yourself with people who appreciate you for the awesome individual you are. Now, if you enjoyed this journey into the wild world of respect, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, as always, stay classy, stay informed, and most importantly, stay respectful, or else.